Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have a Michael's haul. And no, there's no $5 boxes. I asked if they had them. They did this morning, but they didn't stay in the store long because when they opened the doors, one lady came in and bought every box, every one they had. Yep, every one of them. I said, how many were they? And they're like, about 60. That's about 60 grab boxes. And one lady cleaned it all up. Done. The only thing they had left, they classified grab boxes with big giant wreaths, and I didn't want them. But I did find some clearance items I thought I'd share with you. And I went to Walmart. Oh, that's where I was headed, actually. And Michael's was just, okay. I laugh because we go to Walmart. Michael's and Walmart are not too far from each other. And Scott assumes that I just want to go to Michael's as long as we're over there. So I don't stop him. So I ended up at Michael's. I'll show you Michael's first. They had a clearance rack thing. And they had all these boxes, these little storage boxes. I like these. They didn't have the container. She said the container cracked, so they decided to sell the little boxes. And they were $1, okay? I didn't think that was bad anyways. Then, when I checked out, manager came up and marked them all down to 50 cents. So I got them all for 50 cents each. And because I was taking them all. He was happy, so he gave me a good discount. So I paid 50 cents each for them. Nothing wrong with them because I checked this because it says as is $1. So I was like, what's wrong with them? And here it was the container, the big containers they go in, was cracked. I'm like, how bad? And there was a couple missing, probably. But he went and looked, and it was already crushed. I said, I would have bought the container. I would have probably just taped it, you know? Duct tape works, goes miles. So I got them for 50 cents each. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of them. They make good storage for ephemera. I put dyes in them. So I grabbed them. I was grabbing them even at $1. So him giving them to me for 50 cents, it was fine. And this is... this is... Allie said to me, and this is me totally forgetting. Nana, do you got any little string I can make friendship bracelets out of? And I'm like, and she's describing it to me, and I'm like, nah, I don't think so. I'm sorry, check the box. And it's checked. She's like, yeah, this won't work. And then she shows me one of her bracelets, and I was like, oh. And then I'm at the store. Still didn't dawn on me, guys. I came across these Sweets Success Bliss. They were 50 cents for double pack. I took both of them. And then it dawned on me. It just dawned on me. I just got a bunch of this from crafts from Teresa. So this weekend when Allie asked if she had any of this little, I could have gave it to her. Yeah. So, guess what? I won't be needing this for a long time. If you watch my haul videos from Teresa. Yeah, boom, boom. But you know what? I think these are little let's see. Get it. I was like, oh my God, Tina, you are, yeah. Totally forgot. That I got this stuff from Teresa. Because here's the stuff. I put it in this big embroidery thread. Well, you know what? It worked so good because look at these are darker colors. So that's not bad. So it worked out okay, I guess. This is what Allie wanted this weekend. They'll do little friendship bracelets. I'm like, no, I don't think I got any of that. I said. And I found some of my own that's on a little white little thing. Yeah. I tell you, sometimes too much, when you have so much going on, you can't remember everything. But this was funny when I got home and I realized, what I did is I called Diamond in the middle of Michael's. I said, where's Allie? And she's like, right here. I said, bring her on the phone. And I said, Allie, is this what you wanted this weekend? She's like, yeah. And I'm like, okay. 50 cents each to the bottom. And then when I got home here, I'm like, oh my God. It dawned on me. I had this stuff from Teresa. So yeah. But you know what? At least they're lighter colors. I'll share these. These are hers. I mean, that's a double pack in there. I think there's 2 of each color, actually, or 4 of each. 4 of each color. So she's got a lot. Plus, I'm going to give her some of the dark, and I'll keep some of the light. There we go. That one's settled. So that was that. And then I got this little cute little kit. This was $37, and it came up 10 cents. I bought it for Riley. It's color and create. Includes 4 crayons. I thought it was kind of cute, and I thought for 37 cents, and then it was only like 20 cents when I got up there. Grabbed that. So I don't know if they were giving me the prices and if the sticker read the sale price, the 90%, whatever big thing Michael's had this weekend. Because these were $1, and I grabbed them all because I like using crowns in my mixed media. They were $1. I only ended up using. I took all that was on it. I only ended up paying $1 a piece for these packs of stickers. So that was cool. I was happy with that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used to use like the mesh with the crowns on, but I haven't been able to find it. So when I saw these, this worked for me. Got them. Then I bought the girls these. And oh, okay, let me see. I get both of them at the time. All right. The clearance price had $5. I only paid $2.50. It's a 3-piece, make it real journal and necklace set. It has the little key for the diary, a necklace up here, and a crown pin. And that's what's in it. So I got 2 of them. I even thought, I may not give it to Riley now. I could put it away, or even, our birthday party comes up for some friend of Allie's for $2.50. They only had these left. And then these were also the original price on here. I can't see. Let's see what these were original, because were $20. So $20 for them originally. And then there's this one. And I do know the stickers look like they're coming off a little bit. Another pen. It's another diary. This one's a shaker. I wonder if these went with that one. Maybe. No, I guess not. So these were only $1 or $2. And them ended up being $2 too, because I thought they were all the same. Let me see. What did I pay for them? I paid $2 each. So, because I thought these were $2 too. And I'm like, well, they're only $2. And then the manager gave them to me for $2 because I bought the last 4 that were in store. He was happy to probably happy to get them out. So I bought each one of the girls one of them. I really want to look at see what it looks like. I really, really, really do. But then I don't, because I have a tendency not to get it. It's just paper, so right like that. The pen is cool. Oh, I think this one's missing a diamond. Oh, well, it's probably in a box. But even at that, it's cool. So that is Michael's. And at Walmart, I only got 3 things. I went to Walmart just to do a birthday gift gift before, because I only had 3 in stock. And I didn't want to take the chance come into March and not be able to find what Riley wanted for her birthday. She wanted a camouflage fishing pole. And this is the one she wanted. And so I was telling Scott. So Scott said, let's go get it. So we went and got it. And it comes with a bobber and listen. The bobber has a pink fish. I don't know what the hell that is. A safety hook. And then the bobber, and then a practicing cast, which she probably, and a fishing bobber. Riley knows how to fish already. She's been using Allie's, and she wants her own. Me and Scott have purchased the gray Allie and Coda's first fishing poles. So now we have fish. Technically bought Riley her first fishing pole. And then I got this storage drawer thing. They were clearance in them. They had 2 left. They were only $3 a piece, so I came home with both of them. I'm going to put my crafty magazines in there. But that is my big haul. Not much, but plenty. But yeah, I thought these were a good deal. And like I said, for that little price of them, if Allie gets invited to a birthday party last minute, because I told Diamond about these, Diamond can, I think 11-year-old would be in this. I knew Riley would be into it. That's why I bought them, because Riley likes skinning stuff what her sister gets, you know. So, but nice, the cool looking pin in there. I don't know. There's something on the necklace. I can't see what it says. There's a little crown or something on the necklace. I don't know what the necklace is. Let's see if I can see it real quick. And then we'll call it a day. Yeah, I can't make it out. But I think they're cute. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it wasn't any boxes, but I tried. So, I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.